Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to manage your Klarna financial plan on mobile. Managing your Klarna financial plan on mobile is done primarily through the Klarna app, which acts as a central hub for tracking orders, adjusting payment or dates, and making manual payments. What you need is, first thing first, you just want to make sure to track and view your plans. So open the purchase tab. That means first of all you have to log into your Klarna app. Once logged in, you just want to make sure to go ahead and open the purchase tab and navigate to payment or purchase icon at the bottom of the Klarna app. Then you have to tap the specific purchase to view the full payment or repayment schedule, remaining balance, and individual installment amount as well. And you just have to go to wallet tab, select Klarna balance, and tap on document to view or download monthly statement. And this is how you're supposed to track your plan. And if you want to make or adjust your payments, you could just go ahead and pay early or change the payment methods as well, or extend the due dates as well. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.